What are cells? The smallest unit in biology that can live on its own and makes up all living creatures and body tissues. The cell membrane, nucleus, and cytoplasm are the three primary components of a cell. The cell membrane encloses the cell and regulates the molecules that enter and exit it. The simplest unit of life is the cell. They are the tiniest known universe in the modern world that accomplishes all of life's activities. All living organisms are either solitary cells or multicellular organisms with numerous cells cooperating. In the human body, there are around 200 different types of cells. Here are a couple such examples: skin cells, erythrocytes, are red blood cells. In the human body, cells come in a variety of sizes, shapes, and types. The concept of a generalized cell is proposed for descriptive purposes. It incorporates characteristics from all cell types. A cell is made up of three parts: the cell membrane, the nucleus, and the cytoplasm, which sits between the two. Animal cells are eukaryotic cells with a plasma membrane surrounding them and a membrane-bound nucleus and organelles. Animal cells, unlike the eukaryotic cells of plants and fungus, lack a cell wall. Animals were able to generate a broader variety of cell types, tissues, and organs due to the lack of a solid cell wall. These animals had motion thanks to specialized cells that created nerves and muscles, tissues that plants couldn't evolve. The ability to move around using specialized muscular tissues is a feature of the animal kingdom. However, some creatures, such as sponges, lack differentiated tissues. Protozoans, for example, locomote, but only through non-muscular mechanisms, such as cilia, flagella, and pseudopodia. The existence of a distinct nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles, such as the mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi apparatus, distinguishes eukaryotic cells from prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells lack a distinct nucleus, instead storing genetic material in an area of the cytoplasm known as the nucleotide. Organelles that are membrane-bound are also absent. All animals are multicellular, which means that numerous cells collaborate to build the entire creature. These cells can be highly specialized to execute multiple activities in complex creatures like humans. As a result, despite the fact that they are all human cells, they often look and function extremely differently. The basic unit of all plants is the plant cell. Plant cells are eukaryotic, which means they have a membrane-bound nucleus and organelles, just like animal cells. The following is a quick rundown of some of the most important features of plant cells. See cell for a more in-depth look at cells. Plant cells, unlike animal cells, have a cell wall that surrounds the cell membrane. Although the cell wall is commonly thought of as a passive product that serves primarily mechanical and structural objectives, it actually performs a wide range of actions that are essential to plant survival. Plant cell walls are made up of cellulose, which distinguishes them from other creatures that have cell walls, such as bacteria and fungi, peptidoglycan, chitin. We may not know everything about cells, but we will keep searching